everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something that has completely changed our world. Information technology or simple IT. Cut cut to various of computers phone service. So what actually is IT? IT means information technology using computers, software, networks to collect, store, process and share information. In simple words, everything from your computer, smartphone, apps, and the internet, all of these are part of IT. Change tone of curious, but wait, why is IT so important? Various of online classes, hospitals, and office and social media. Because without IT, the modern world would literally stop working. Think about education, medicine, business, communication, even all depend on IT. Online classes, mobile banking, emails, video calls, every single thing we do use IT. Tone friendly conversation every morning when you wake up and check your phone, that's IT. What? When you chat on social media, play games while which YouTube or stop online. Choose what? That's IT again. It's everywhere, silently running our daily lives. Now let's talk about the future of IT. It's going to be even bigger. New fields like article, artificial, cyber security, and data science are creating of new options every single day. So if you learn IT now, you are preparing yourself for the future. To sum it up, IT is not just a technology, it's a revolution that makes our lives faster, easier, and smarter. So let's it IT. Learn IT and use it to build a better tomorrow. Look into camera, smile. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech talks. Talk. See you next time.